Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your computers teacher with a new week assignment, that is assignment number 4. You have been given with the hands-on activity. If you just turn on the pages of the task, that is search and replace, you will find a hands-on activity there. You are given with the paragraph and you have been asked that you have to find the synonyms of the underline words from the thesaurus, and then you have to replace them in the given paragraph. What are synonyms now? Synonyms are actually the words with similar meanings. They are actually different words but having similar meanings. Okay, so they are known as synonyms. And what is the thesaurus? The thesaurus is a feature in MS Word that provides you with the synonyms. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to first read out the paragraph. The paragraph says Captain James Cook was a famous explorer. He was born in England in 1728. In 1768, he went on his first voyage to the South Seas. On April 19, 1770, he reached and explored the east coast of Australia. Cook named the place he reached first Point Hicks after one of his sailors. Okay, so there are a few words. I have underlined them and I have colored them for your convenience. They are famous. This is the word famous, then is voyage, explored, reached, and once again read. We have to find the synonyms of these words from the thesaurus, okay, and then we have to replace them. Okay, so where we are going to find the thesaurus, that is in review tab. Come into the review tab, that is the sixth tab in MS Word. Review tab, and then go into thesaurus. See, just click over it and you will see a pane appears over here. So just adjust it, and now we have to find the synonyms of these underlined words. Okay, first just double click it to select it, and then press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then Ctrl V it. Okay, and then just press this green button. You will find the synonyms. Okay, so there are quite a lot of synonyms of the particular word. We have to find we have to find one word that suits in this particular statement. Okay, so Captain James Cook was a famous explorer. We can use the word well known. Okay, so just right click it and select insert. See, the word has been replaced over here. Okay, so just come on to the next word, which is voyage. Just double click it and press Ctrl C, and again just press Ctrl V and this green button, and see there are quite a lot of synonyms over here, but we have to find the one which is very suitable to the particular sentence. Just right click it and insert it. Okay, so similarly the next word is he reached. Double click it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V it, and green button. Okay, so the thesaurus says that it is actually not able to find that particular word. Just see if we have the word. Okay, so we can use the word arrive, as we already know that the synonym of the word reached is arrive. Okay, so I'm just going to write it over here as arrive. He arrived. I'm not going to write arrived because according to the sentence I'm going to use the word arrived. He arrived and explored. Again, Control C and Control V it. Explored. Okay, so we can use the word discover over here. Okay, my MS Word is quite outdated, so it is not able to find the words. So if you have the updated version of MS Word, you may not find these particular things over here in your laptop. Okay, so I'm going to use the word as discover. Discovered. He arrived and discovered the east coast of Australia. Cook named the place he reached. Again, we are going to use the word arrived. Arrived first. Okay, so we are done with the work. Discovered. Okay, we are done with the work. This was all about hands-on activity. What we did was actually that we were given with a few words, and we found their synonyms through the thesaurus feature, and Yes. Okay, so we found their synonyms through the thesaurus feature and replace them in a paragraph. Okay, so this was all about the activity. You have to practice it on your own now, and then you have to tell me if you got the lesson or not. Okay, thank you.